Hi, Rick Strand here with I-80 Forklift. Today we're inside due to the wind outside. With the wind in mind, you may or may not get your PG&E shut off this week. Well, if you do, we have some solutions that may help you with that. We are running the Wacker Neuson generators, and we have 3 options here for you to choose from today, with more available on site. Over here we have the GP 3800. This particular unit has 2 110 outlets, 4 plugs total, 130 amp twist lock and 120 amp twist lock. This engine is powered Honda GX 240, all gas, and this unit has handlebars for easy maneuverability around the job site or the house. If you need a little bit more power, we have over here the GP 6600. This unit also has 2 outlets, 4 110 plugs, and it also has 2 30 amp twist lock plugs. It is powered by a GX 390 Honda motor, and it also has the handlebars for easy maneuverability. Now, if you want to run the majority of the house, this is the guy that could do that. This is the GPS 9700. It has 2 outlets, 4 110 plugs. It has 2 30 amp twist lock plugs and 120 amp. This unit is also Honda powered with a GX 630. It has electric start. This unit runs about 1.5 gallons an hour of fuel. Now, if you want to hook these up to your house, you may need a manual transfer switch, and we have a couple partners that take care of that side of it for us. You have Roseville-Rocklin Electric in Sacramento and CP Unlimited in Solano County. Their numbers will be down below at the end. If you want more information about generators, go to i80forklift.com or give us a call at 707-451-5100. Thank you.